Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I wear my false lashes and make it look natural. I get so many messages saying where did I do my lash extensions vanira, and my students always ask me if it's my real lashes or did I do lash extensions. So today I'm gonna be showing you my techniques. Actually very easy and simple techniques of how I make my lashes look natural. So without wasting time, let's get started. This is the lashes I use on everyday basis. यो त्यस्तो heavy पनि छैन अनि यो natural पनि देखिन्छ. Although the length is little long, but no worries about that. I'm gonna show you how to fix it too. First, we're gonna measure the strip of our lashes and trim the excess one. But remember, trim चाहिँ जहिले पनि lashes को outer corner बाट गर्नुपर्छ, inner corner बाट चाहिँ नगर्ने. And the real technique is here guys. I always curl my false lashes before applying it, like so. It makes our falsies look curled and natural. Plus, curl गरिसकेपछि long falsies पनि अलि sharp देखिन्छ. And let me tell you guys, this technique is especially best for small Asian eyes. And here you can see the difference. All of these three lashes are of same sizes, but since we curled up the first one, यो चाहिँ अलिकति सानो अनि different देखेको छ. I know it doesn't really look good अहिले, but trust me, it'll give that natural look once you apply it. Now, let's apply our falsies. We're applying the lash glue to the lash band like so, and let it dry for a few seconds. Now we're placing it on our lash line, and make sure to position it as close as possible to natural lashes. Lashes apply गर्नको लागि tweezer or lash applicator पनि use गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, but I'm applying with my hands because why not? And by the way, I didn't use mascara because I feel comfortable without it. Now I'm using my fingertips to pinch and push my natural lashes and false lashes together so that they set well. यसरी fingertips ले pinch गर्दा फेरि चाहिँ हाम्रो natural lashes र falsies को बीचमा gap पनि देखिदैन अनि झन् natural देखिन help गर्छ. You can add mascara to blend them with your natural lashes. But mascara लगाएको falsies multiple times लाई use गर्न पनि मिल्दैन and safe पनि हुँदैन. That is why I don't use them on everyday basis if I'm wearing falsies. And that's it. I'm adding extra eyeliner to fill in the gaps. Now I'm gonna apply on my both eyes and we're done. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.